Welcome to Knowledge Gainer 1M channel. Today let us discuss exercise 7.2 in coordinate geometry topic of 10th class. Let us see a note point. The coordinates of a point x comma y which divide the line segment joining the points a x1 y1 and b x2 y2 internally in the ratio m1 is to m2 are m1 x2 plus m2 x1 by m1 plus m2. This is the x coordinate, and m2 y1 plus m1 y2 by m1 plus m2. This is the y coordinate. If the ratio is 1:1, P becomes the midpoint of the line segment AB. Then the coordinates of Px comma y becomes x1 plus x2 by 2. m1 plus m2 is 2 by y1 plus y2 by 2. This is the x and the y coordinates of P if P is the midpoint of line segment AB. First question in exercise 7.2 is find the coordinates of the point which divides the line segment joining the points -1, 7, 4, -3 in the ratio 2:3. Let the point be P. Now let us find the x and y coordinates using this formula. Substituting the values, here m is 2 and n is 3. Substituting the values, 2 into 4 plus 3 into -1 by m1 plus m2 is 5. Now the y coordinate, 2 into -3 plus 3 into 7 by 2 plus 3 is 5. We get this as 8 minus 3 by 5 and -6 plus 21 by 5. That is 5 by 5 and 15 by 5. So the answer is 1, 3. This is the point which divides the line segment in the ratio of 2:3. Second question is find the points of trisection of the line segment joining 4, -1, -2, -3. Here let A and B be the line segment. We should find the points of trisection, that is these 2 points divides the line segment AB in the ratio 1:1:1. Let the point be P and it be Q. 1:1:1. From this we can write it as AP is equal to PQ is equal to QB because the ratio is 1:1:1. Now initially let us find out the coordinates of point P. Here P divides AB in the ratio of 1:2. Now by using the formula, the coordinates of P are, let us substitute the values directly, 1 into -2 plus 2 into 4 by 3, and the y coordinates are 1 into -3 plus 2 into -1 by 3. From this we can write -2 plus 8 by 3 and -3 minus 2 by 3. So we get the coordinates as 2, -5 by 3. This is the point P. Here the point Q divides the line segment AB in the ratio 2:1. Now let us find the coordinates of the point Q. 2 into -2 plus 1 into 4 by 2 plus 1 is 3. And the y coordinate is 2 into -3 plus 1 into -1. By the denominator is 3. We get this as -4 plus 4 by 3 and -6 minus 1 by 3. So the coordinates of the point Q are 0, -7 by 3. Third question is find the ratio in which the line segment joining the points -3, 10, 6, -8 is divided by -1, 6. We need to find out the ratio of m is to n. Let this point be P, let this be A, and let this point be B. Now point P divides the line segment AB in the ratio k is to 1. Now the point P is -1, 6. Let us substitute the values. K into 6 plus 1 into -3 by the denominator is k plus 1. Here also k into -8 plus 1 into 10 by the denominator is k plus 1, which is equal to -1, 6 is equal to 6k minus 3 by k plus 1, and the y coordinate is -8k plus 10 by k plus 1. Now equating the x coordinate and equating the y coordinates individually, -1 is equal to 6k minus 3 by k plus 1 and 6 is equal to -8k plus 10 by k plus 1. Let us solve this. Or k is equal to 2 by 7. In both the cases we got the value as k is equal to 2 by 7. So the ratio is 2 by 7 is to 1. We can write this as 2:7 is the ratio in which the point P divides the line segment AB. Fourth question is if 1, 2, 4, y, x, 6 and 3, 5 are the vertices of the parallelogram taken in order, find the values of x and y. Let us take A, B, C, D as a parallelogram. In the parallelogram, the diagonals bisect each other. That is, the midpoint of AC is equal to the midpoint of BD. We know that the midpoint formula is x1 plus x2 by 2 and y1 plus y2 by 2. Now let us substitute the values. x1 value is 1 plus x2 value is x by 2, comma 2 plus 6 by 2. This is the midpoint for AC. And now the midpoint for BD is 4 plus 3 by 2 and y plus 5 by 2. Now let us equate the x coordinates individually and y coordinates individually. Is equal to 4 by 3 by 2 and 2 plus 6 by 2 is equal to y plus 5 by 2. The denominators get cancelled. X plus 1 is equal to 7. So x value is 6. 2 plus 6 is 8 is equal to y plus 5. Y value is equal to 3. Now the fifth question is find point A where AB is the diameter of the circle whose center is 2, 3 and point B is 1, 4. Here AB is the line segment or the diameter of the circle with center C that is 2, minus 3. Here the point C divides AB in the ratio of 1:1 because this is the diameter. So the point C is the midpoint of the diameter AB. Let us substitute the values in the formula. X plus 1 by 2, y plus 4 by 2. Equating the x coordinate and y coordinate individually. 2 is equal to x plus 1 by 2. So x is equal to 4 minus 1. X is equal to 3. And now y plus 4 by 2 is equal to minus 3. Y is equal to minus 6 minus 4. So y becomes minus 10. So the point A is 3, minus 10. Sixth question, if the point A minus 2, minus 2 and point B 2, minus 4, find P on AB such that AP is equal to 3 by 7 of AB. Here AB is the line segment and it is divided by P. AP is equal to 3 by 7 of AB is given. So AP by AB is equal to 3 by 7. Here total AB is given as 7 parts. So if AB is 7 parts and AP is 3 parts, PB becomes 4 parts. That is AP is to PB is equal to 3:4 is the ratio. Now by using the section formula, we can find the coordinates of the point P, x, y. We get the answer as minus 2 by 7 and minus 20 by 7. Just we should substitute the 3:4 ratio in the section formula. Try it yourself. If you like my explanation, please like, share and subscribe to Knowledge Gainer 1M channel and also share with your friends. Seventh question is find the points which divide the line segment A minus 4, 0, B 0, 6 into 4 equal parts. Here AB is the line segment and it is divided into 4 equal parts. That is the ratio of AP, PQ, QR and RB is 1:1:1:1. And here Q is the midpoint of line segment AB and P is the midpoint of line segment AQ and also R is the midpoint of the line segment QB. Now by using the midpoint formula, the coordinates of Q can be found by the midpoint formula. X1 plus x2 by 2, that is minus 4 plus 0 by 2, 0 plus 6 by 2. Solving this, we get minus 2, 3 are the coordinates of the point Q. Now using the coordinates of Q, we should find the coordinates of the point P using the same midpoint formula. That is minus 4 plus of minus 2 by 2, 0 plus 3 by 2. Now the coordinates of the point P are minus 3, 3 by 2. Now we got the coordinates of the point P. Now by using the coordinates of point P, we can find the coordinates of point R. Coordinates of R can be found by minus 2 plus 0 by 2, 3 plus 6 by 2, which is equal to minus 1. 3 plus 6 is 9 by 2. Eighth question is find the point which divides the line segment joining A minus 2, 2 and B 2, 8 into 4 equal parts. This is similar to the problem number 7. The procedure is same. Do it yourself. Let us move to question number 9. Ninth question is find the point which divides the line segment joining the points A plus B, A minus B and A minus B, A plus B in the ratio 3:2 internally. Let us name the points A and B. Let the point A be A plus B, A minus B and point B be A minus B, A plus B. Now the point P divides line segment AB in the ratio 3:2 is given. Now by using the section formula, P divides AB. Let us use the formula 3 into A minus B plus 2 into A plus B. By the denominator is 3 plus 2 is 5. And the y coordinate is 3 into A plus B plus 2 into A minus B. By the denominator is 5. Now let us solve this. 3A minus 3B plus 2A plus 2B by 5, 3A plus 3B plus 2A minus 2b by 5. After solving this, we get the point BA as 5a minus b by 5 and 5a plus b by 5. Let us see a formula. Centroid of the triangle with the vertices x1, y1, x2, y2 and x3, y3 is x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3 and y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Please like my video and also press bell icon to get notified so that whenever I upload a video, you will get the notification. 10th question is find the centroid of the triangle with vertices minus 1, 3, 6, minus 3, minus 3, 6. 3 bits are given in 10th question. Let us solve the first one and second and third do it yourself. Let us substitute the values. X1 value is minus 1 plus 6 minus 3 by the denominator is 3 and y1 value is 3, y2 is minus 3 and y3 is 6 by 3. 6 minus 4 is 2 by 3 and here it is 6 by 3. Now the center of the triangle with the given vertices is 2 by 3, 2. 11th question is find the point A, x, y when C divides AB in the ratio 2:3. Points B and C are given as minus 5, 8 and 3, 6. This is a simple problem. We can find it by using the section formula. 12th question. The line segment AB meets the coordinate axis in the points A and B. If point P 3, 6 divides AB in the ratio 2:3, then find the points A and B. This is a bit tricky question. Let us solve this. Here it is given that the line segment AB touches the coordinate axis. So the point AB x1 and y1 and point BB x2 and y2. If the point is on x-axis, then the coordinates become, let it be x1, 0, y1 is 0 here and it is 0, y2 because on the y-axis x coordinate will be 0. And the point B is 3, 6 is given. This divides AB in the ratio of 2:3. P 3, 6 is given. Now by using the section formula, directly substituting the values in the formula, 2 into 0 plus 3 into x1 by the denominator is 2 plus 3 is 5, 2 by 2 plus 3 into 0 by 5. 3, 6 is equal to 0 plus 3x1 by 5, 2 by 2 by 5. Now equating the x coordinates and y coordinates individually. 3 is equal to 3x1 by 5. 6 is equal to 2y2 by 5. 3 and 3 gets cancelled. x1 is equal to 5. 2, 3 is 6. y2 is equal to 15. Now the point A becomes 5, 0 and the point B becomes 0, 15. But in the textbook, the answers are given as A is 15 by 2, 0 and B is 0, 10. But this is the correct answer according to the question. If you have any doubt, please comment in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.